An Indian-origin employee with the Illinois Department of Transportation was briefly detained and questioned at a construction site in Park Ridge, Illinois, on Friday, an encounter that has sparked sharp criticism from state officials and renewed concerns about racial profiling. The worker, a U.S. citizen assigned to a resurfacing project along Bus Highway, was approached by three masked individuals who identified themselves as federal agents, according to details provided by Governor J.B. Pritzker's office and first reported by the Chicago Sun-Times. The agents allegedly pressed him with questions about his immigration status, recent travel to New York, and even asked whether he knew of Zohran Mamdani, the incoming mayor of New York City. The individuals left the scene after the brief interrogation, but the episode quickly drew attention from state leaders. Governor Pritzker condemned the stop, calling it an instance of federal authorities questioning an American citizen apparently based on the color of their skin. In a strongly worded statement, he said, "I am appalled they would stop and question a state employee working hard on the job to help improve our state's roads and infrastructure. Our state employees should be able to go to work and do their jobs without masked agents targeting them for no legitimate reason." Following public scrutiny, the U.S. Department of Homeland Security clarified that the agents involved were not personnel from Immigration and Customs Enforcement nor Customs and Border Protection. DHS has not yet publicly identified which federal unit, if any, the agents represented. The presence of masked federal officers in Park Ridge created confusion across the community. Local news outlet WGN reported that teachers and students in Park Ridge, Niles School District 64 were instructed to remain indoors after administrators received alerts about federal agents operating near school grounds. Superintendent Ben Collins confirmed the district was monitoring the situation closely out of caution. Friday's encounter comes during a period of heightened political tension over federal immigration enforcement. Illinois has been at the center of several disputes regarding federal authority and local protections for immigrant communities. In recent months, the federal government has increased operations across parts of the Midwest, drawing criticism from civil rights organizations that warn such actions can disproportionately target people of color, regardless of citizenship status. Illinois officials have also been in a legal battle over an attempted federal deployment of National Guard personnel to Chicago as part of a large-scale enforcement push known as Operation Midway Blitz. A federal appeals court halted that deployment last month after state leaders argued it violated constitutional limits. As of now, the identity and purpose of the masked agents involved in the Park Ridge incident remain unclear. State officials have requested further information, and civil liberties groups are monitoring the case closely, calling for transparency and safeguards to ensure that residents and state workers are not subjected to unlawful stops. To follow news like this, subscribe to our channel, Our State, Our Nation, like, comment and share the video. Thank you.